Everyone, so I've got the Rose and Thistle wax patisserie order here, and it literally came this morning, and literally within a few days of ordering, with less than a week of ordering, it came. It was meant to come until my 4th, so yay, it came early. And yeah, if you're unaware of what this brand is, it's basically a wax brand, wax melts, clam shells, candles, fragrances, you know, those sort of waxes wax range. And yeah, I would speak hours upon hours of how amazing this brand is, but I won't. But just so you know, it's on a really amazing brand. And yeah, this is my order. If you just search in any search bar the Rose and Thistle wax patisserie, it will give you more information about the brand, about the person, how amazing the brand is, and the products. And yeah, it's really good, affordable, good quality stuff that is worth the money. And yeah, this is my order, and that's where the delivery postal stamp was. My address was there, but I've ripped them off because, you know, safety reasons. And yet the label, the logo sticker label is there, and I've sliced it open because, you know, easy to open. I'm not spending like hours trying to open it on camera. But you know, I was greeted with pink tissue paper and another sticker label and packing peanuts. There's that. And I do have a list of my order there, so any prices I'll obviously talk to you about it. And yeah, so the first two things are these 2-ounce pots, and this one is freshly baked bread. Smells absolutely amazing, and it just looks like this, just gold glitter and brown wax. $2.75 for the 2-ounce pots, both of them. Yeah, so that's freshly baked bread. And this one is Firecracker Romance, and this one and a different one has a little information about it. And this one is the 2-ounce pot, costing $2.75. yeah, and it just looks like this, and it's a little different, the colour's a little different in person than on the website, but that's fine. Everything's different in person. So yeah, this one, Firecracker Romance, is a beautiful fragrance that blends soft woods and I cannot read that word, amber with crackling amber of a log burning open fire, warming, romantic with a little hints of firecracker and ginger. So it's probably why it smells so good. But yeah, it's just this blackcurranty purple colour with silver glitter. On the website it is pinky red. That's probably old pictures of the product, not too sure. This is my first proper order off the Rose and Thistle wax patisserie, so I'm new to this sort of stuff, kind of. I mean, my mum's given some of her products when she ordered from Tammy, but I haven't had anything until this order. My next product is also, on each product you get a sticker of the logo and little information sheet. And on here, this cost me $2.75 as well. Smells just like jelly beans, and I love it. I love the butterfly glitter on it as well. Oh, it came off. Take that off there. Yeah, it smells absolutely amazing, and I love jelly beans so much, so I had to get this. And the next one is this clamshell, and it's all the waxes are soy wax. And yeah, this is the strawberry jam and freshly baked bread soy wax melt duo clamshell, and this cost me £4.80. Smells so good together. literally does look like this, and yeah, amazing, love that. Oh, the first 3 products, and well, the first 2 products are 2 ounces for sure. Based off the price, I'm guessing the Jelly Bean Soy Wax Melt Art is 2 ounces as well. This, not too sure the amount, but I don't know. But these 3 are 1 ounce ones as well, so I've got 3 1 ounce ones. The first one is Cinnamon Apple. If I have the urge not to burn this before autumn, I'll be surprised, but I'll probably will end up burning it before. It smells amazing, it just looks like that, and that was £1.20. They are all £1.20, these ones are. I'm guessing this one's the warm apple pie, hot baked apple pie. It smells absolutely amazing as well. Oh, let me put that back in there. Lastly, I've got the Peachy Keen wax melt as well. I love peach, and it just looks like this. Not holographic, it's chrome. Holographic is shimmering rainbows. Chrome is pink, purple, yellow, blue and green. This isn't, and it smells absolutely amazing. This is chrome, £1.20, and that is my order, but I've got a little extra thing in there. I'm guessing if you spend above a certain amount you get a little extra thing in there. And this is the Rose Jammies wax melt. It's a sweet strawberry jammy rose fragrance. It's really lovely and an alternative to a standard rose fragrance, and it looks like that. So if I unbag it, smells absolutely amazing. And that is my order from the Rose and Thistle Patisserie. If you did enjoy this, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. And before I do go, that piece of sequin, I will do that after the video. Oh no, sorted. I do have other unboxing videos coming soon. I do have my boots order. I ordered some essentials because I'm a bit anxious about going outside and going to the shop, so I ordered off boots. I do have a care package from my Canadian friend Sagan. I know I did one on my channel before, so look forward to that. I'm sorry if you heard any of that bad language. I do have a couple of packages from Lucy B's World, a long awaited Easter swap box, and a care package from Lucy B's World as well. And my best friend Emily is sending me something over, so look forward to that. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Sorry about any bad language that you heard. The windows are open. Bye.